Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're making Kendra's card challenge number 20, card number 4, I do believe. And you can go to kendrascardchallenges.com to find out how to download this free PDF with all the measurements and cutting guides and everything, okay? So we're going to be doing sketch number 4 today, this one here. And we're going to be using Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, Make a Memory Scrapbooking Kit elements, and no stamp set today. So before we get started on our project, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Wrapped in Cheer paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 8 festive goodie boxes. Mossy Meadow is our classic stamping spot. A Bunch and Joy add-on dies for $12 coordinates with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Next, we have our best starter kit offers ever, where you spend $35 plus tax to get $125 worth of products put into your kit. It's going to ship to your house for free. Or you can choose to pay $99 plus tax and get $189 worth of products for free. Both options give you $90 of products for free. So you're not $189 for free, but $99 spend gets you $189 worth of products in your kit, which is a $90 worth of products for free, okay? So both kits give you that $90 of products for free. You have until October 31st, 2025 to take advantage of this super great starter kit offer, all right? You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to make videos. You can just join to get your $90 worth of products for free, or you can join, get those $90 product for free, and continue on purchasing from yourself and get a discount, okay? So you have, I think, up till April to make your minimums that you need to make in order to stay a demonstrator. But if you don't, nothing happens. You just go back to purchasing from your demonstrator of your choice, which hopefully is me. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking just $35 each. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, so no, that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on this project because there's a lot of pieces on this one. The first thing we're going to do is get our sentiment together. So I said there's no stamping because I have a sticker here from the kit, from that scrapbooking kit that I got my papers from. So we are going to use this sticker as our sentiment. I'm going to add some glue on here just so I can have time to wiggle this around to get it where I need it to be. We're going to be layering this. Ooh, that's a lot of glue, Shauna. We're going to be layering this on crumb cake. Okay. I'm just trying to spread that glue out so it won't squirt out. So we're going to layer this onto our crumb cake here. Ooh. Oh, come on. I didn't want anything to squirt out, but now I got some squirting out. I didn't get it placed exactly right. But the good thing is Stampin' Up glue dries clear. And I do have an adhesive eraser if I really need to get some of that off, okay? So that is our sentiment layer done. Then I have a piece of copy paper. I'm getting this copy paper because it's going to make it easier for me to add my designer series paper pieces on. So we're going to use, let me go back to the sketch so I know how to set this up. Okay, we need our small little pieces. So the short pieces are going to go on the outside. So I'm going to put this on here. So I'm going to put one. I think I made it exactly the right size for the smaller pieces. Okay, so we have that there. Then the next one is going to be this pattern here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in the middle because I don't want to go over the sheet. So we're going to have that right there. And I'm going to try to get it the same amount at the top and the bottom. Then the next piece is going to be one of the longer pieces like this. Maybe I should just put the glue on here because all the pieces are going to be taller than the copy paper. Again, we want to try to center these like so. And the next piece is going to be this one here. Oh, I don't need to put the glue. I already have it. I'm going to try to get that even with this one here. And we're going to do another long piece. Let me add a little bit more glue. Put this one about there. Add a little bit more glue. We're going to put this one right up against that, like so. And I was going to start with the two inside pieces, then work my way in, but I said, what if I don't get these on here straight, or I didn't cut it just, you know, right? I said, so I better just start at one end and work my way down. And this piece, whoops, will go right on the white copy paper. And as you can see, I have a little bit left. So we're going to take our scissors and trim off that copy paper. Just like that. And I do believe I want to pop this up. So I'm going to get my Stampin' Dimensionals. Oh, which I have run out of this sheet. But that's okay. I don't know why I'm acting like I can't use it still. Let me just cut them up into smaller bits. Okay, this one can go right here. I'll put a piece like that. And this will also help to hold this together because the glue is not, you know, everywhere. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna get these pieces added on. You guys know I like a lot of dimensionals, so be patient. I'll be done putting them on in a minute. In a minute. I'm gonna get another sheet. The bad part about putting all these dimensionals on, you have to take off all the dimensional backings. So that takes some more time, right? Okay, so that sheet is done. Let's get some more in, out of here. So now these will be easier to place. Okay, that should be enough, right? I say that and I'm steady adding. That should be enough. Okay, so we are going to get our Take Your Pick tool and help us get these backings off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all the dimensional backs off, and we're going to set this onto some crumb cake. I'm going to try to get it centered on here. Oh, that's how it's going to go. It's pretty good. And then we're going to put our sentiment right across the top here like this. So let's go ahead and glue that on. Just like this. Whoop. Go over a little bit. Just like that. And then we're going to get the inside of our card, which is basic white 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to adhere this to some crumb cake that is 5 by 3 3/4. And we're going to put this on the inside of our card base, which is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. So we're just going to get this on the inside of our card base. Let's burnish this card base down with our bone folder. And we're going to add on our card front with our liquid glue. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is add some bling to this card. And for the bling, I am using the low profile dots. These are an online exclusive. They are, I believe they're on the last chance list if they haven't already sold out, but I'm going to use mine until they're gone. So let's see. Let's get, I want to put 2 here. Let's move this, move it down a little bit from that letter. And then, I think I want to use a big one. Pick it up, Shauna. And we're going to put it right up here. No, not on the pink, not on the petal pink. Let's put it right there, just like that, so you can see it. That is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love this. This is super cute. Now, I popped mine up on Dimensionals. Her instructions didn't say to do that, but you know, sometimes you have to take some creative license to do your own thing. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.